You do not have to sell t-shirts online in 2026 to make money, okay? Now, this is coming from somebody who started with $0 and was able to generate multi-six figures with t-shirts. And I am telling you that in 2026, print on demand has over 1,000 products for you to sell. It does not have to be t-shirts. It does not have to be hoodies, though those are great options and they are still working. Take it from somebody who does sell t-shirts, okay? However, there are many items that you can sell, and a lot of these items can sell themselves because of what they represent. So I'm going to give you one of those items today, and if you stick around until the end of the video, and you comment, I am going to be sending some of you my marketing ebook because I really want for you to sell in 2026. If this is what you want to do and you want to generate a lot of money, have a side hustle, have a new business, and leave your job, whatever your dreams are, I want to help support you in that. So the item today is going to be custom engraved champagne glasses. This one says Girl Plus God. You can see it's blingy. This was a gift and I absolutely love them. And I'm not sure if you knew that you can sell engraved champagne glasses using Printify, and I'm about to walk you through it. All right. So grab your laptop, grab your phone. If you've never used Printify, I would definitely suggest you go ahead and grab your phone. Well, not your phone. You grab your laptop because it's going to be easier. If you don't already have a Printify account, you can comment Printify. I will send the link directly to you. It is free to sign up. You don't need a credit card or anything else. This whole process today, we are going to create without spending any money up front. All right. So what you're going to do is go to catalog. As you can see, they have lots of options in here, but we are going to go to Valentine's Day because I know that the glasses are in there. Now, here is the key. We got engagements happening. We have birthdays happening. We have celebrations happening. We have weddings happening. So people absolutely will want champagne glasses throughout the year, right? So this is why this premium product is great, not just for Valentine's Day, which we're around as I film this video, but even throughout the year as celebrations happen. So you can see they have a larger one and they have this like flute looking one that is really cute. And it's showing you what your design will look like here. So we're gonna go ahead and start designing that. So once we get to the design section, your phone or your laptop should look like this. You're gonna hit the plus sign to start designing. Now, if you have already created a design on Canva, if you have designs from another business, you can just hit my device and use what you already got, all right? They have AI built in, they have text, they have graphics, all kind of stuff already ready for you. So for this one specifically, I'm going to use text. Remember that this is a engraving. So I want to be clear about how I want this to look. So instead of using something like apparel, I'm going to use one of these other ones, right? So I'm just using this one for an example. I'm on my phone, so it's a little bit more difficult, but this one now says be good, do good. You could change this one to say like Mrs. Lee, Mr. Lee, however you want to do it. Now, if I were you, this is how I would do this business using Etsy today. I would first go through and change be good, do good. I'm not going to do it here for the sake of time. So I'm just going to save this one. So pretend that this one says Mr. Lee and Mrs. Lee, okay? So you have your mock-ups and you'll be able to see it full, like there's champagne in it. And that's how it'll look, okay? That is how it will look, nice and pretty, like this one, okay? Now again, pretend this is a Mr. Lee, Mrs. Lee, okay? So we're gonna save this. And I would actually do a few different variations of that. And you have your title. So engraved champagne flute glass, they already did the work for you. I would probably go in and say custom 2026 engraved or come up with something a little different. They already have a description for you. They tell the people, your customers, how much can fit in here. 8 ounces, slim, crystal clear bowl, and long stem, all the things. It's dishwasher safe. It has the product features, how to clean it, bow, right? We in the game. So here's what you're gonna do. You're going to hit enable personalization. And the reason for that is that people are going to be able to give you their custom names that they want for birthdays, for engagements, for parties, for their weddings. They're going to be able to customize, which means that we're going to take the price up, okay? And then you will connect a store. You're going to come down to where Etsy is. You're going to connect to Etsy. And then you are going to create an account, or you are going to log into your account, and you are going to create your custom champagne glass business. Or if you want to do like a wedding brand or a engagement brand, a birthday party brand, whatever it is that you want to do, you can absolutely do it on Etsy. Now, here is the key. If I were you, I would come up with like 3 to 5 different designs so that people can see what your custom champagne glasses will look like, right? So that could be Mr. Lee, that could be I Love You Forever, the Lee's 2026. I would come up with different ideas so that your customers can see the possibilities. And then I would put those on my Etsy store, and I would create a full-blown personalization brand for, like I said, engagements, weddings, parties, all of that. So hopefully this is a business idea that somebody will run with and will make a lot of money with in 2026. If that is you and you have stayed all the way to the end, comment money 2026. And some of you I will be selecting to send my marketing ebook to so that you can sell even more. Keep in mind, I am a t-shirt girly, so a lot of that information is about t-shirts, but you can take that and use it for this business or anything else that you want to do. I just want to be able to help you guys make more money in 2026. All right, shout out to Printify. Make sure that you go and set up your account. Again, if you need me to send you that link, you can comment Printify and I will do that. Any questions, comments, or thoughts that you have about this business and how to get started, leave them below, and I'll see you in the next video.